Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can block or unblock any number in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. So if you want to block any number or unblock it in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can block or unblock any number in your device.